Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add icons to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now I'll be explaining two types of icon uploading. One of them is uploading just standard icons for your products or anything else on the site. And the second are fav icons, which I will also cover in this tutorial. Both are very easy and very simple to do. So let's start with standard icons. Now, first, let me enter the edit view for this page I'm currently on, and I'll delete both of these code blocks since I do not no longer need them. Now, I already have a section here on this site, so I'm just going to go ahead and add a block, and under the block, I'm going to select image. Now, this is an empty image block, and by clicking on it, I can select either from the library or upload an icon from my own computer. And to make it look a bit better, I'll just select it from a library. To make it look better, I'm going to go ahead and play around with the aspect ratio a bit. So currently it looks like this, but let's say I wanted to have it a bit smaller, so just drag it down, and now we have sort of an icon image. Icons are usually around 100 by 100 pixels to 300 by 300 pixels, so keep that in mind. But yeah, you can upload your icons very easily like that. You can also go to your content and memberships and go over, or rather not, you can go to assets, excuse me, and here you can upload any assets you might want to access at a later date, which you can also use. And that's pretty much how you upload standard images and icons. To actually add a fav icon, and that's the little icon that appears next to your URL on a search engine or on your tab on a search engine as well. You just need to go into settings, and from the website settings, go into fav icon, and here you can upload a fav icon which is 0.1 megabytes max in size, and it should be between 100 by 100 and 300 by 300 pixels. It does need to have a 1:1 aspect ratio, so keep that in mind. And once you add a normal fav icon, you can also add a dark mode version of it, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.